What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Right here we have the cheapest heater that you can probably buy that's in Walmart as we speak. This little mini heater is $10, 350 watts. It don't even say how much coverage or square footage. So this is a personal mini heater. Usually you can use this in your office or wherever you at that you are close to it by, right? So if you're sitting in your office typing, keyboarding away, and you just want this facing you because you're close to it, then this will probably do the trick. But we are going to see if this thing heats up a room or not. All right, let's. Ooh la la la. All right, we have the little mini heater, and luckily, here goes the instruction manual. 350 watts of power. All right, you guys. So right here, you have the power cord. You have your on, off, and that's basically it. I pretty much got this thing because I want to do something for our greenhouse that we got upstairs for the winter time until at least March and April come, where the temperatures go back up. We will just put it away for the warm weather. And I want a temperature control. That way this can be regulated because there is no temperature control built inside of this thing. This is basic as it gets. And of course they would have important instructions, a whole laundry list of instructions on something that has one button. What do you know? So you guys, this is your tip over switch. Anyways, I'll snap that, post it right there, y'all can see it. Pause the video, whatever y'all need to do. But I want to test this on my room real quick. I don't want to put it in my greenhouse just yet because I want to be able to shut this thing off without having to do it manually. So stay tuned to that because a review of that should be coming very shortly. Once again, this is $10, you guys, and let's test this out. All right, you guys, so I am in the studio where we test out the other heater. Right now I'm going to plug it in and let it be. I'm going to put it on the floor because heat rises, so if we have it closer on the floor, then the heat will rise up and hopefully circulate the room and blah blah blah. Point this at the wall. We are 62 degrees on the wall. All right, so that's what we just finding out on our walls. So we're 62 degrees. So basically we're around 62 degrees in the room. I just turned it on right now. Let me bring y'all down. I can smell the heat. Oh, that is so warm. Ah. All right, it says caution, high temperature, keep electrical cords, drapery, and other furnishing at least 3 feet from the front of the heater and away from the sides in the rear. So I'm touching right here. I'm not feeling no warmness, but as you know, you do not want to touch the front of this. But I know they say keep things 3 feet away, but not my hands. All right, so this is kicking out 200. Wow, y'all gotta see this. Hold on. All right, you guys, look at this. Wow. You definitely don't want to be in front of that or you're done. All right, so this thing kicks out a lot of heat. Okay, you guys, so we are at 64, we could say 65. So we are at 65. So this thing went up about 2 degrees to warm this room up. All right. So once again, this is just a little heater. I am going to check out the greenhouse to see how much heat this puts out in the greenhouse. All right, you guys, so we on the final review of the mini heater. Right now we are in our greenhouse, which is, I believe, 2x4. So yeah, I put the blankets there to try to keep all the draft out. And let's see what we have. All right, and the best it can do is 85 degrees for this small heater. And that will be it with this review. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, like, comment, and subscribe.